chỉ bay lệ vek u vu rat lak nuin rin ain hei khwa lo nuam le LARS te ten namin han tho pui le ni hi
We're into LARS te nen kan huan kan han siam thalok don ni hi compost kan leya hei kan han da ange kan garden raised garden a
LARS te u naw hianin na thok tura ka ti chuanin hial ngai lo hei tuna po
probably 3 at a time tro bite pathum
da that pui don phot ani hi
pathum or is it too much? I don't want to break it.
heng le tha te hi
Okay.
bek khat hi pound somli zelani
Killing it at trees means
Compost bin, compost on ya hi. Bong egg le tha. Ka garden a kan dang o bit raised bed a. Okay, but put one bag down where the green, the second one next to the strawberry. Outside, strawberry. Yeah, we're gonna put right here, but right here. Yeah, we're gonna put 2 of them there. Yeah, actually, bring 3 of them. Bring all 3 of the bag. Okay, but there you're in. Danny. Yeah. Okay. Khoi mo tu yem, tu lo tuk tero. Tu lo tuk tero.
tu ten soi sel nya lawa chanem ngai ta kan ha min han tho pui chen hi chu
Okay.
aba han lom ta ke mo ka lom chen
Alright, but there kara kan pathuma lo tero. 3 more bags tero. Okay. And then run la le la mo chuanin we need to dig it a little bit and then put the compost. All right? Okay. Rồi lên.
Mi at break the tube.
Tuy lu tuk em Hey ni min pia lama ka thil khu kha. Khwa lo lum le tran deuh hle ka chu wang chuan hei an lo zia om hei an trâu na salu tuka a chen hi chu ka lak chhuang ngai don ni ren ain khwa ron lum le a lom om khop mei ka lom lu tuka bite all down there oi fel lu tuk papa in pizza siam there's a couple things that we're going to do. The 2 bags will come here. Okay. Anom hian chuan na hi kan thok zel ania. Okay. All right, heta. Bite, Rooney, we gotta pull these out. Pull. Come some truck. Come on, pull out, Victor. Gotta pull out everything.
ka sam tok te hi
Put it on the floor.
lai de ka khwai na bo san ta sia hei an khongai sa
Pull it all out.
mai an thi do
Shake as much as possible. Okay. Okay. What we need to do is see that the one with the chip on the top. We gotta push it aside a little bit. I guess it's okay. Kung ay ball, but there. Papa din na vakal la goldfish cover la. Goldfish ka papa vadir ro.
kan raise be ta hian kumtin chu tun ang hian compost kala da ngai lawa amero chu tu na chuanin temin lo char deu to tu na bur ta khanin ati soft cha chu wang chuan tlem han le ve a chumi hnuah manure compost bong ek ne na in chaw pol lei tha nakumata na
Okay.
in buat sai na
What you
turin
doing,
kan
helping?
handa ani he
No.
Yeah. Yeah, you just need to turn the soil. Yeah.
LARS te le run te hian na thon she lawa mai ro
Mix it really good.
ti dan an na thiam vak bik lawa ti dan tur te hi hril chop ve zel an nga ya nakuma chuanin tlem chuan tun ai chuan an thiam tong chu
We're not done. Okay. You can put one more of that soil, but take care, Lassie.
hei run te hian borsaya bekung hlui an pot chhuaka
Put that
helai po hi
inside and
nakumatan kan han buat saya nga
dig-
nge ka
dig out
chiang
the
e ro chu
soil.
kala hre chia lawani ka thlai chin dan hi ka thlak ve boka hemi raised bed hi ti hian ve khat kan han da lenga hei LARS te hian ati leka hemi ni hian chuanin tok so mai don ni
Say, Manya, tu tehi.
I just drank
We're
some
into.
water.
Oh, you did.
Drink some water.
Hey, tehi chalo tel vezel anya.
I'm just drinking some water.
Oh, good for you.
I like water.
Yeah, I know.
I like that. Just how about just give me water?
Okay.
vurt la khanin lei ati hnonga ati hnipa hei a hun taka kan thok ani
Okay, and then we put 2 bags of compost. Hey, kan tizaw to nakumatan. Ready. To may don ni. Ooh, you gotta stay. You like the berries?
Yeah,
Yeah.
berry.
Yes.
Berry's red.
Mm-hmm.
raised bed pakhata hian compost bag ni zel hi kada tira chu chu atok thokhat le ni
It's right there. And then pick up the grapes. It's out.
What?
I just took the lemon out.
Okay, but you can't eat it. You know that, right? Let me show me. Those are not grapes, okay? Those are berries, but you can't eat. Ye thelo oh bit there. Isu oh. E thelo. Ipumanang. Kada belly ache, tummy ache. Yeah, the soil that's inside our heart, right? Yeah. Two more bags kan na ituan tahian pakat kan daang. Hey hi ka call ba siya mun khani ve thunga nakuma call ba siya mun hi chu nga ya hian ti le zel hi nia wang chu ru ta hi tam lu tu ba tahian call ba siya ka ching leang.
Okay,
Hey
can do
tehi
it.
vere nga niya.
kayat nung lampanga khianin na compost bin kasiama chu kum hi ani to a tun kum lo am tura chuanin kum thara chuanin ka compost bin atangin kan man thei ka ring to a le ngai lovin keima ni kanin to del to ang tin tun kuma na thel zong po kha compost bina compost turin kasiam vek bokani
Habis tuk tok bite. Thank you so much. Ho nan du to hey kalat chala tin ni hi hey ti zo ve len hong ang. Hey kat ti profil last day. But thank you so much for helping. I appreciate.
Yeah, of course. Anytime. Thank you for watching on this channel. Hello, man.
Thank you so much.
ข้าจงข้าตัวนาตานเรานี่เซกันลอมGod bless